Good day everyone, how are you doing for today? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Victoria Match. Highly welcome today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Please do so. Okay, today we are going on to another class of tutorial, which is arithmetic progression. I'll be teaching you guys how you can use your calculator to solve arithmetic progression. Now, the first question says the 6th and the 13th terms of an AP are 0 and 40 respectively. I said we should find the first term, the third term, the common difference, and the 10th term. Okay, without wasting much of our time, okay, let's on our calculator. After running it, then we move on to the next step. Okay, so to solve arithmetic progression, we follow these steps strictly. So as you can see, you press alpha mode, then we go for 3. Number 3 starts. As you can see, so we move to 2. These 2 stand for arithmetic progression, so go for 2. So now you can now start inputting the value into the calculator. The 6th term, so your terms will be in X column, while your Y column will be the value for those terms. So for our X column, 6th terms, we input it, and we have 13 terms also, we input it, as you can see. So what is the value for 6th term? Is 0, Abby. So go for 0, input, and what is the value for 13th term? Is 14, right? Now, so you should know this: as you are inputting the value, the calculator is storing them automatically, so you don't have to be worried about anything again. So the calculator have already stored them. So let's move on further. Now to find the first term, you press shift start. As you can see, go for 5, which is right. So as you can see, we go for 5 again. Now to look for first term, Abi, just in front of this Y, so you get put 1, because first term start for 1, second term start for 2, and third term stand for 3. So you get now, so you go for 1, so press 1. As you can see, so your first term is minus there. Hope you are getting it now. If you are looking for the third term, just go back, lay 3. So your third term is minus 6. If you are looking for 10th term, lay it, input 10. So your 10th term is what is it? Now to look for the common difference between 2 objects in arithmetic progression, you have to subtract the preceding value from the next value. Now to look for the common difference here, the next value to 6 is 7th term, so that will be 7. That is 7 minus, what is the value? The value for the 6th term is 0, so just input 0. So our common difference is 2, as you can see. Or better still, you can still use 13. The preceding the next value to 13 is 14. Abi, let's use 14 minus, what is the value for 13th term? Is 14. So as you can see, this also gives us 2. So which shows that the two are the same. You can choose any one you like. So that is that for question number 1. For question number 2, they said we should find the first 4 terms of the sequence whose general terms is given by this. So the general terms is given by this, which is 7 times 10 raised to the power n. Now we can represent this with your calculator. Now let's start. So to represent this with your calculator, now go back. So put your calculator in mode 7. As you can see, now input this value. You are looking for the first 4 terms, Abi. Input this value, which is 7 times 3. 7 times 3 raised to the power n. Now this n, you can represent it by x on your calculator. Just put raised to power x. As you can see, now let's see our value. Start here. So we are looking for the first 4 times, Abi. So we press equals to again. Okay, let's see for our first 4 times. Now for our first 4 times, we're having for 1 year, this is 1. For value for 1 is 21. The value for 2 is 63. The value for 3 is 189, and the value for 4 is 567, which is the value for our first 4 times. So that is that, how to solve for the first terms of any given number. Okay, let's move to question number 2, which, okay, so they said we should find the first term of this also. Now to solve this, so just input it into your calculator. Now this is the fraction button. This is the fraction button, as you can see. So our n will represent x. So alpha x plus 1 over 3 alpha x plus 2. So as you can see, press equals to again. So this is the value. So for our first 4 times, this is first, second, third, and fourth. So for our first term is 0.4, our second term is 0.375, and third term is 0.3636, and our first term is 0.3571, as you can see. So for fourth term is 5 over 14. It's still the same thing. For third term is 4 over 11, and the second term is 3 over 8, and the first term is 2 over 5. So that is how simple as it is. And the last one, they said we should find the sum of the first 20 terms of 2, 5, and 8. Very simple and straightforward. So on your calculator, now you have to clear this. To clear it, you just press shift, clear 3 equal to AC. Now let's solve the last question, which is find the sum of the first 20 terms of 2, 5, and 8. Now let's input the values into the calculator. Press alpha mode. We go for 3. So we are dealing with arithmetic progression, right? We go for 2. Now input the values. So we have 3 values there. So for the x column, we are going to numbering them, and for the y column, we are going to input the values into the y column. So 1, 2, 3. Hope you guys are getting it. Now let's input the values. For 1, we have 2, Abi. For 2, we have 5, Abi. And for 3, we have 8. So we have input them. Don't forget, the calculator have stored them automatically, so you don't have to be worried about that. So press AC. Now to find the sum of the first 20 terms, okay, press shift log, as you can see. So after shift log, we put your x, as you can see, then shift 1, go for 5, and 5 again, as you can see. So you put your comma 1, comma. Now we are dealing with first 20 terms, Abi. So this first 20 terms, we're going to put 20 here. We close the brackets. Now let's see. So our final answer 57 is not the final answer. So our final answer will be 610. You press it twice. So you press it twice to get your final answer. So our final answer is 610. So that is how to solve arithmetic progression with your calculator without wasting much of your time. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on your notification bell to get more.